Hey Lavish fam, welcome back to the vlog. So today's video or vlog is an unboxing, and it is from a company called Tidelocker. Tidelocker is an online website that sells, let me see what's the nice word for it. They sell one-to-one replicas of high-end fashion items for a fraction of the price. So they have been ever so kind to send me 2 items of my choice for my review. So I just opened the box, and as you can see from the top one, it says Dior. Okay, so let's take it out. They got it in here pretty good. Good Lord. I'm trying, y'all. Okay. Wow. Okay. So, trying to get it open. All right, so, oh, this is a nice box. That's the first box. This is really pretty blue, and it has like a snake skin type of like feel. And then the second box. Okay. Came with this bag. It also has that same feel. And sorry, y'all. I keep like bumping the desk, so the camera is shaking. Okay. All right. So this is the box, and let's see. Move my iPad. Okay. And there's another, looks like another bag in here. Another Dior bag. These bags are really nice. They're very thick quality too. And it's this with, I guess, you know, just the receipt. Dior has the pleasure to invite you to the Spring Summer 2023 collection sale. This says Christian Dior. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Comes in a plastic. And then it's in a dust bag. And another plastic. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is it. And it does come in different sizes as well as different colors, but you all know that I love a small bag that I can do a crossbody with. I'm not a big bag person. Because I don't carry much. I just carry a wallet, my phone, lotion, things like that. But that's the first purse that they sent me. Let's see. First item. Okay. And then on the inside, it has this little flap that kind of keeps your stuff protected, so it's just kind of not out and showing. It has really good structure. It's, yeah, very solid. And then the inside also has like a little side right here in the back, a little zipper area in the back. The bottom has the little feet on there. And like I said, this comes in a lot of different colors as well as different sizes. And then the straps also have that same pattern on it. And then it comes with the crossbody strap that looks the exact same. This side says Christian Dior Paris. And then that's the other side. So I love a crossbody, y'all. That's all I ever carry. I have one Louis Vuitton that's not. But okay, so let's open the second item. So this is the second box. I love this color blue. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this blue bag. So this is also a dust bag. And then it also comes with the little receipt and all of that stuff. This, and then this Christian Dior card. Very nicely wrapped. And then I got these Christian Dior like loafers, pretty much. They look super long. I wear a 10 in women, so that's what they look like. I wanted something to kind of go with this purse, so that's why I picked it. So let me see if I can actually wear them. I have on, I don't have on any socks. I had on sandals today. So let's see. Ooh, I can fit them. Let me let y'all see. So that's what they look like. The quality feels really good. The cushion on the inside. Like I said, I'm a size 10 in US women. So I ended up getting these in like a 43, or whatever, Euro 43. And then I also measured like my foot or like my other shoes just to make sure that that it measured out properly. They will send you emails before they send the stuff, before they ship it, to let you see the actual like product that they're shipping. And they also have it where it's measured, so you can say, okay, that measurement looks correct. So this time I made sure that I checked the measurements really well, because you know, you want to make sure if something's coming so far that it's going to fit you, and these fit me perfectly and they feel great. Like you can tell that this is real leather, that this is, I mean, it just feels really good. So those are the two items in this purse, which also is a really good and thick material. It feels great. I have another one similar to this, and they both are really good quality. So I'm really impressed with it. I mean, and the price, like I said, the prices are really good. So if you are a person who likes to wear nice things or carry nice items, and you just want to spend some of the money, not all of the money that it will cost if you went to the actual like Dior store, then this, I mean, and they carry all brands. It's not just Dior. They have, I want to say Louis Vuitton, they have Chanel, they have, you know, Bottega, they have all of that. So I'm going to put everything in the comments. Tidelocker's website, I think this is my maybe third or fourth collab with them, and each time everything has come and it's been nice. So only thing I will say, like I said, is to make sure that you, when they send you the pictures, that you actually check to make sure that the shoes are the correct size. The shoes are always really nice. But sometimes if you do not check the measurements, it can be a little shorter than the American sizes. So make sure you measure properly. That's the only thing I have to say. Everything else has been spot on, spot on. So once again, thank you, Tidelocker. I appreciate you sending me these products. They do not disappoint as usual. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.